Hi everyone, welcome to AN Masterclass in OBGY. Today I shall be talking about a couple of very important instruments. I wouldn't really call them a couple of instruments, it is a set of single instrument that I shall be talking about, a pair of instruments. Now the use of this instrument, first of all I'll show you the instrument. Now this is an instrument that used to confuse me until I gave my post-graduation exams. Until I read a few tricks to remember them. So these are those instruments or a set of instrument. They are a pair of the same surgical instrument. Fine. So what is the use of this instrument and what is this? This is a Shirodkar's sling surgery needle. Now Shirodkar has also given us something called as a cerclage needle. The difference between them is that they look very similar except that इसका जो diameter है, ये जो diameter है, this is slightly more than the encirclage needle that we get. Now remember your cervix का diameter is only going to be this much. So the sling surgery का जो the cerclage surgery that we do उसका जो diameter होगा पूरा that is going to be somewhere around 4 to 5 centimeters इतना सा. Whereas this is much bigger and hence this is the one that we use for sling surgery. Now what is a sling surgery? The basics. Now imagine this was the maternal pelvis and there was a uterus that was placed over here. Now in a young female who is having prolapse and she says that I'm not even married yet and yet I have had prolapse, or she says that I'm married, I have one kid but I do intend to have another one and I'm now having prolapse, I'm having something that is coming out of my vagina and that is her uterus. So in a young female of 30-35 years of age, you cannot you cannot really be doing hysterectomy. That is not ideal. Apart from that, whenever you do hysterectomy, it eventually brings about symptoms of menopause because of the loss of vascular supply to the ovaries within 4 to 5 years of surgery. So I do not want that female to have symptoms of menopause like hot flashes, night sweats, osteoporosis at the age of 35 or 40 years, that is 4 to 5 years after the surgery of hysterectomy is done. So there is absolutely no need to do hysterectomy. So in that scenario, whenever a female is having prolapse and she wishes to conserve her uterus, we do a couple of procedures. One of them is sling and the other one is Manchester Fothergill repair. Manchester Fothergill repair, I have spoken in an earlier video, is done whenever there is cervical elongation. But whenever there is no cervical elongation and there is only uterine descent that has happened because of weakening of the uterosacral ligaments, at that point of time we do a sling surgery. What is a sling surgery? Basically, if this is my uterus and इसके बीच में अगर मेरा this is my pelvis and इसके बीच में मेरा uterus हुआ करता था, so मैं यहाँ पे से एक sling बांधता हूँ. Literally हम घर पे कैसे हम लोग ये बांधते हैं, we just tie a rope in the house to keep clothes on it to make them dry. So literally we are putting up a rope of Mercilin tape to ensure that the uterus is again pulled up. So the commonest surgery that we do for sling is going to be Purandare sling surgery. So there are a few types, 3 are the major ones. The first one is Purandare. So if you had your uterus over here, then the sling that came anteriorly, in Marathi हम लोग anterior को बोलते हैं पुढे. पुढे is in front. So पुरंदरे के लिए पू and पुढे के लिए भी पू. So that is how I remember it as a Maharashtrian, that पू is basically anteriorly वो मैं ला रहा हूँ. So पुरंदरे is पुढे. इसका ये मतलब है कि here it was my uterus that was there, just assuming that this was my uterus that was present, and ये जो uterus था मैंने ऐसे पकड़ा है for your better understanding. How do I hold it? Yep. So this was my uterus. Then अगर मैंने इसको anteriorly ऐसे लाया near the pubic symphysis, then I would be calling it as a Purandare sling surgery. But the problem with anterior sling surgery was that these women are the ones who wish to conceive later on. So whenever they would conceive, ये जो anterior का stitch था, if they deliver by cesarean section, this stitch would be broken down, it would be cut, and this uterus would again come down, it would again prolapse. So basically वो stitch जो रहता था वो fail होता था बार बार. इसलिए anterior का थोड़ा problem आने लग गया सा. That is when Shirodkar said, why not do something that is going to be attached posteriorly. So he said that I will take this Purandare's, I will take this Shirodkar's sling surgery needle and I will, you see that in this there is a hole, there is an eye. In this eye, I will load a Mercilin tape and I will take that Mercilin tape and I will bring ahead and posteriorly. So basically, literally ऐसे posteriorly जाके मैं uterus को tie करूँगा, एक यहाँ से करूँगा and दूसरा needle लेके मैं यहाँ से करूँगा ऐसे. सो दोनों साइड से करके मैं यूट्रस को पोस्टीरियरली बांध दूंगा यहाँ पे there is your anterior longitudinal ligament that goes along the sacrum in the middle, उसको मैं knot बांधूंगा पीछे. So basically it's a posterior sling surgery that you do in Shirodkar. There's a video that I have uploaded already wherein I'm talking about all the surgeries of prolapse in young women. Now the question that comes is, how do you recognize which side ka needle is which? There's a very easy way that one of my professors at Sion Hospital had taught me, Dr. Niranjan Chavan. He said that an easy way to remember is that you take this and then you rotate it and it should touch the outside of your nostril. So अगर मैं ऐसे घुमा रहा हूँ and it touches the outside of my nostril, then it turns out that this needle is for that side. So now this is my left side, irrespective of how it is looking in the video, this is going to be my left side. So मैं इसको घुमाता हूँ और ये जाके मेरे outer nostril पे on the left side आता है. So this is a left sided needle. So left sided needle मतलब अभी यहाँ पे this is left and this is right. I shall be doing the surgery ऐसे लेफ्ट साइड से मैं आके इसको अटैच करूँगा. Similarly, the right sided needle, if I'm going to hold in my hand ऐसे and if I'm going to rotate it, it comes and touches the right nostril बाहर से. So this right nostril is now going to, just like this right needle is now going to go in this direction like this. So that is an easy way. If I'm going to take the right one and I'm going to try doing this, ये ऐसे अंदर से आएगा, मुझे अंदर से नहीं चाहिए. I want it from outside, so it should touch the outside of my nostril, and that is how I determine which side of needle that I wish to use. There is one more thing that you can do. The right side needle can be used on the other side अगर मैं ऐसे जाना चाहता हूँ लेके. So both ways are possible, but an easy way for you all to remember is going to be this. Also, one more question that you all can be asked. The differentiation between Shirodkar's cerclage and sling needles is very simple. It is based on the diameter. जो दूसरा वाला है वो literally cervix का diameter जितना रहेगा, whereas this is going to be double of it. The question that you all can be asked is this a TOT needle? The difference is going to be, look at it from this level. This is literally horizontal. It is at one layer. ये जो है वो literally एक layer पे है ऐसे. जो TOT का needle होता है, it is going to be helical. So basically it is going to be ऐसे helical होने वाला है, just like your DNA is. So it is going to be helical properly and it is not going to be horizontal like this. एक level पे नहीं होगा, because you have to go through a tissue completely on another level in transobturator tape, which is why it is supposed to be helical and it is not going to be just semicircular. It is going to be a lot more than इतना ज़्यादा होने वाला है वो. So it is going to be almost a 3/4 of a circle and in helical pattern. This is a semicircle, उसमें 3/4 circle रहेगा and it is going to be ऐसे helical मतलब ऊपर आता है. So that is going to be how you differentiate between a Shirodkar sling surgery needle, a Shirodkar cerclage needle and a TOT needle. I hope this solved a lot of your queries on what this instrument is and how do we hold it. It has not many parts. This is your आगे का needle का part. This has an eye in it. This eye is going to be loaded with your Mercilin tape and this is your handle. And how do you know the side? इसको बस घुमाना है और कौन से outer nostril. Now this has touched my right nostril, so this becomes my right side का needle. Similarly इसको मैं touch करता हूँ left पे, so this becomes my left का needle. So this is how you determine which side needle. You can use the same technique for TOT as well as your encerclage needles if you have them available in the tray. So that is it about today's session. Thank you so much everyone for listening, your patient listening today. I shall meet you again in yet another session. Until then, this is a goodbye from me, Dr. Aditya, signing off.